Guys, welcome back. So are you about throwing your phone pouch, or should I say phone case, because it's not giving what it was giving when you first got it, or because the color is no longer there and it's now looking dull? Don't worry, just sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end. Let me show you how I changed my pouch, the color, how I changed my phone case color from dull brown to this color. So I would have posted this particular one, but I didn't show the before. So now I'm showing this one, this as the before, and I'm going to show you the new color as the after. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. So all you need to do is to get your dye. So I'm using my hair dye, the same dye I use on my hair. That's what I'll be using for the phone pouch. That was what I used the first time. So now you get your dye and you mix the dye together the way you normally do it if you want to dye your hair. If you don't, then you can just wash and learn from here. So I'm going to be mixing the two together. That's the color and the mixer. I'm going to add the both of them together, and I'm going to make sure to mix very well. Like, you have to mix very well. After that, I'm going to add my phone case into the mixture, and I'm going to make sure I apply it all over the phone case. Like, I'm going to rub it all over the phone case so it mixes very well. Then I'm going to allow it to sit for 1 hour. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. And please turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video. So make sure to rub well, or make sure to apply the dye everywhere. Make sure to apply well so that there will be no place left untouched. So now this is it after 1 hour, and as you can see, it is already black. So now I'm just going to wash it off. I'm going to wash the dye off the phone case so that we would see how it looks like after that. As you can see, I'm already washing it off with water and it is still black. So I have changed my phone pouch from the color it was before to black. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section. And also let me know if you're still going to throw your phone case away after watching this video, or you would just keep changing the color till you're tired of changing the color. Let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. I hope I've given you enough reason not to throw that beautiful phone case away, but instead to make it more beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to check out our other amazing videos. Have a nice day. Bye.